Hello, this is Volker and I'm with the Gearhead depot today. Today I want to talk about wheels and what my choices for my project C10, the Pro Touring truck. And yeah, I want to talk a bit about classic wheels, as you see here on this 1972 Chevy Chevelle, and back there on the 1967 Mustang, you have classic 5-spoke Krager wheels. They were really often chosen wheels for muscle cars, and I think it's one of the aftermarket wheels that got put on trucks and cars and everything in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and so on. Today's cars and trucks ride on modern wheels and sometimes modern interpretations of the classic look, and today I'm revealing the wheels I got for my truck, and I was intended to get the same classic look in a modernized form. So this is my choice of wheels. They are not Kragers, they are American Racing Torq Trust, and they come in 20 by 10 and 20 by 8 with a back spacing of 4 and I think 5 inches. So the tires on here are 275/40 in the back and 245/45 in the front. I chose this wheel and tire combination to have a little more sidewall, not too slim of a tire, and to get the overall classic look with a modern interpretation with the Pro Touring theme. I think it should fit and should really look good and roll like a champ. So this is my wheel of choice. I hope you like it. It should fit the truck very good and look good, and as always you can see the specs of the wheels and tires in the description below. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.